SBA Publications.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well in your homes. Myself Soni, your mentor. Today with me we are starting our chapter number 3, that is addition. So let's start with me. Addition. What does addition mean? Yes, addition means to add. To add. Addition of anything. Vegetables, numbers, people, etc. So let's make it more clear with our interesting chapter. Here, an activity for you to warm up. Okay, we use addition when we put together two or more amounts. हम addition का कब यूज करते हैं? जब हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को एक साथ रखते हैं. ओके, और ये चीज़ें कुछ भी हो सकती है. अगर हम कह रहे हैं कुछ चीज़ें रख रहे हैं तो कुछ चीज़ें कोई भी चीज़ें हो सकती है, बट अभी हम नंबर्स की फॉर्म में बात करेंगे. सो हेयर दिस डकलिंग इज सेइंग दैट द सम इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द नंबर बीइंग एडेड एक्सेप्ट व्हेन वन ऑफ द नंबर बीइंग एडेड इज 0. सो यहाँ पे आपको एक बात बताई जा रही है जो ये कह रही है कि आप जब भी कोई दो नंबर को जोड़ते हो तो वो हमेशा बड़ा आता है, उनसे बड़ा आता है. मीन्स अगर आपकी प्लेट में 2 रोटी रखी है और आपकी मम्मा उसमें कुछ रोटियां और जोड़ रहे हैं, सो अब वो 2 रोटी नहीं रहेगी और 2 से कम भी नहीं रहेगी. नाउ इट विल इंक्रीज. बट अगर वहाँ पे आपने 0 ऐड किया है, मतलब कुछ भी ऐड नहीं किया है, then it will remain same as we all know. We have learned in this earlier classes. Now add the following regroup if needed. यहाँ पे आपको numbers ऐड करने हैं. अगर regrouping की नीड पड़ रही है तो आपको वो भी करनी है. Here one has done for you 9 and 8. That's 17. 17 refers to 1, 10 and 7 ones. Similarly, you have to perform all these questions by your own. Now the topic is addition. Addition means to add together, to make them together. जोड़ना. Now addition means putting together two or more things or numbers. Each of the numbers we add is called an addend. Addend. जिन भी नंबरों को हम ऐड करते हैं उन्हें हम addend कहते हैं. Addend. The answer in addition is called the sum. The answer which we are getting by adding the addends is nothing but sum. Sum of those addends. Now we have already learned the addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers using regrouping where needed. हमने अभी 2-digit और 3-digit के नंबर्स को ऐड करना सीख लिया है रीग्रुपिंग के साथ. अगर कहीं पे रीग्रुपिंग चाहिए तो हमने वो भी कर लिया है. सो अब हम पढ़ेंगे एडिशन ऑफ 4-digit नंबर. 4-digit नंबर विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग और विद रीग्रुपिंग. नाउ एडिशन ऑफ 4-digit नंबर इज सिमिलर टू एडिशन ऑफ 3-digit नंबर. जैसे आपको एडिशन आता है, सिमिलरली you can perform this 4-digit number. How? See, step 1, add the ones. As per the logic and the steps we all know, we have to firstly add the ones. So add the ones, which is our step 1. Here 3 ones and 5 ones gives us 8 ones. So we have written 8 on the ones place. Now step 2, add the tens. Now we are adding the tens place value. 6 tens and 2 tens makes 8 tens. So we will write this 8 on the tens box. Now add the 100, 300 and 000. See, 300 and 0. It gives us 3. So write 3 in the 100 column. Now add the thousands. Thousands. Now here 1000 is the fourth place. Add the thousands column, 4000 and 1000 gives us 5000. So we will write 5 in the thousand place and we are getting the sum 5338 by adding the addends 4363 and 1025. Now by making this concept very clear, we are getting the exercise. The question number 1 is saying add the following numbers. So you have to solve them. And there are no regrouping. See, 4 plus 3, 4. Then forward counting to 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7. 7. 6 then forward counting to 1, 6 and 1, 7. 4 and 2, 4, 5 and 6. 3 and 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So the answer is 8677. Rest of the questions you have to perform by your own. Now the second question says find the sum of the following numbers. Here you have to make a column first, then you have to write the numbers, then you have to get the answer of this by solving this particular questions. Now addition of 4-digit numbers but with regrouping. Regrouping means when the answer comes in ones of 2 digit, then we do breakage of that particular number and we used to make a carry and give it to the forwarded number. See, step 1, add the ones. Firstly, we have to add the ones. So, according to this picture, according to this sum, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11. So, 11 means 1 10 and 1 ones. So, we will write 1 ones in the 1 column and the 1 10. 1 of the 10th place will go to the carry on the 10th place. Now, carry 1 to the 10th column. Now, step 2 is add the tens. Now, we have to add the tens. Now, 1 10, 9 10, 9 10. See, these 9 tens were given the question, but this is our carry. So, 9, 9, 18 and 1, 19. So, it's 19 tens. 19 tens. Breaking this tens, we are getting 109 tens. Means 1H and 9T. So, we will write this 9 on the tens place and this 1 of 100 will go to the carry of the 100 column. Now, step 3 to add 100 place. Add the hundreds, 1 carry, 800 and 600. We are getting 1500s. And when we will break the 1500, what we will get? 1500. 1500. So we will write 5 on the 100 place and the 1 of the 1000 will go to the carry place in the 1000 column. Now last step is add the thousands. Now we have to add the thousands. 1000 plus 4000 plus 3000. Here 1000 is our carry thousand. Now it gives us 8000. 8000. So write 8 in the 1000 column. So we are writing 8 in the 1000 column. Okay, so here 3 questions are given for you. So you have to perform them by this explanation. Now the next exercise, that is exercise 3.2. Question is add using the regrouping. Now here are the question where regrouping will be seen. Now we have to perform this question. One I am doing for you. See, 9, then forward counting to 5. 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are getting 14. Instead of writing 14, what we will write? We will write 4 on the ones place and the 1 on the tens place. Now 8 and adding 0, then we are adding 1. What we are getting? We are getting 9. 9 is the tens place. 9 on the tens place. Now no carry will forwarded. Now 7 plus 4 on the 100 place. Now we have to add the 100. 7 plus 4, that's 11. So we will write 11, 1 here and 1 on the 1000 place. Now 5 and 5, that's 10. 10 on the 1000 place and adding the carry to 10, we are getting 11. Just like that, you have to perform all rest of the questions. Now, second, solve in your notebooks. Here you have to make a column by yourself. Then you have to put these values on those columns, on those blocks, and then you have to get the answer by solving these particular questions. Now, the properties of addition. What is properties? See, हर questions की, हर तरीके की, हर चीज़ की एक खासियत होती है. So, एडिशन की भी कुछ प्लस पॉइंट्स है, कुछ एडवांटेजेस है, कुछ अच्छी बातें हैं. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट. पॉइंट 1, व्हेन 0 इज एडेड टू अ नंबर द सम इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. अगर आपके पास एक नंबर है, आप उसमें 0 ऐड करते हैं, सो इट इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल रूल, इट इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल मैथमेटिकल रूल दैट द नंबर, द आंसर विल बी द नंबर इटसेल्फ. सी 4 plus 0. 0 means none, nothing, nobody. So, and 4 plus 0 gives us nothing but 4 itself. 18 plus 0 will give us nothing but 18 itself. Here, some questions are given for you. See, 2 plus 0 will give us 2. 24 plus 0 is 24. 2195 plus 0 is 2195. Whenever we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. Okay, so the second rule says when 1 is added to a number, when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. See, यहाँ पे क्या बता रहे हैं कि अगर आपके पास कोई नंबर है, आप उसमें 1 को ऐड करते हो. We are adding only 1, a single. So, what we get? We get successor of that particular number or a particular thing. See, अगर मेरे पास एक 1 ये पेन है, मैं इसमें एक और पेन ऐड कर दूँ, a single, a unit, so it will be 2 and the 2 is the successor of 1. See, for example, 17 plus 1 is 18 and also 18 is the successor of 17. Similarly, this question 346 plus 1. We are getting 347 and 347 is the successor of 346. Similarly, here are 4 questions for you. You have to perform by your own. Now, third rule, a change in order of the addends does not change the sum. See, if I have 5 rotis and I am adding 6 rotis also. So now what I'll get 11 rotis, but it will not change the answer if I will change the order of those rotis. See, 7 plus 9 is 16 and also 9 plus 7 is 16. 7 plus 9 is equals to 9 plus 7. According to the rule, the order of the addends does not change the sum. अगर आपका ऑर्डर बदल जाए, 4 रोटीज में आप 5 रोटीज ऐड कर रहे हो या 5 रोटीज में आप 4 रोटी ऐड कर रहे हो, आंसर आपका 9 ही आएगा. ओके, सो 7 plus 9 is equals to 16. 16 plus 9 is equals to 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. 7 plus 9 is equals to 9 plus 7, that is 16. So here are some questions for you. See, 28 plus 135 is equals to 135 plus 28. Similarly, you have to perform these all questions by your own. Now the exercise 3.3, fill in the boxes. First is 131 add 0. Okay, so 131 and 0. So according to the rule, when we are adding 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. So we don't have to calculate it. We have the logic and the concept. Now I can write the answer 131 plus 0 is the number itself, that is 131. Also, I have a rule that when we add a 1 in any number, the answer, the sum will be successor of that particular number. So, here successor of 200 is 201 and the answer will be also 201. Now, the word problems. What are the word problems? As we all know कि अगर हमें क्वेश्चन न्यूमेरिकल्स की फॉर्म में दिया जाता है तो हम उसे इजीली सॉल्व कर लेते हैं क्योंकि उसमें हमें ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता है, सिर्फ नंबर्स का काम है. बट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स इज आपको सिचुएशन दी गई है, कुछ सिचुएशंस, कुछ केसेस दिए हैं जिनको आपको सुनना है, समझना है, देन यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है. सो हियर इज एन एग्जांपल फॉर यू. सी, फादर बॉट अ मॉनिटर फॉर 5943 rupees, 5943, that's 5943, and a cupboard for 3897, 3897 का एक कबर्ड भी खरीदा है. How much did he spend in all? तो उन्होंने जितना भी खर्चा किया है तो बताइए उन्होंने टोटल कितना खर्चा किया है. So what we will do? We will add these amounts. Here these are amounts. So 5943 adding the amount. So by the calculation what we are getting? 9840. So as total the father has spent 9840 rupees. So cost of the monitor is 5943, cost of the cupboard 3897. The total amount spent, he spent 9840. Similarly, with the word problems, there are some exercise you have to perform by your own. In a school, there are 1306 boys and 1313 girls. Find the number of the students in the school. So, when I am doing for you, see, number of boys 1306, 1306, or we can say 1306, and 1313 girls. So, 1313 girls. I am representing B for boys and G for girls. Now the total 6 and 3, it's 9, 0 and 1 is 1, 3 and 3 is 6, 1 and 1 is 2. The total students in that school are 2690. So rest of the questions you have to perform by your own, and also here, and for fun activity for you, you have to perform this by your own. I hope each and every concept of this chapter will totally clear in your brain. So let's meet you in the next video with amazing and interesting next chapter. Bye bye.